Hello, people of Bengaluru. Very warm welcome to Vettery's HSR layout, a new showroom that opens on June 2nd, 2024. We had a grand opening at 10:45 a.m. where we did a quick live on different things that we have done at HSR. Vettery, a leading gifting store, specializes in promoting Indian handicrafts and taking these beautiful gifts to the world. We've received great patronage from our Bengaluru customers, both online and at our store in Jayanagar that we opened last year. We are located at 19th Main, 23rd Cross, HSR Layout, Bengaluru. Now let me take you through our collection of brass gifts. We have wide variety of brass gifts available with us. Starting with brass diya that comes in both plain finish and antique finish. We have lovely idols and figurines starting 3 inches going up to 5 feet. We have beautiful urli collection that comes in tile finish and plain finish as well. We also have urlis that comes in a very small size to large urlis along with figurines. Again, very unique products that you will find at Vettery. Finally, we have a huge curation of brass utility products and wall hanging frames that you can consider buying for yourself or a great gifting option as well. Now, let me take you through some of the diyas that we have at our HSR store. Starting with this very beautiful Varahi Devi Deepak. Comes in black antique polishing with Varahi Devi at the back and a good depth to light this diya. A very sturdy piece and is priced at 6,679. We also have traditional Kuttuvilakku that are available with us. All these are Kumbakonam traditional Nachiyar Koil Kuttuvilakku which are completely hand-etched. Again, completely dismantleable and hence a great shipping friendly product as well. Something that you can buy at our HSR store and take it abroad as well. We have Annapakshi, we have Parai design available with us which is considered very auspicious to be lit up, and we have Lakshmi and Ganesha as well. All these traditional Kuttuvilakku are in huge demand and definitely being bought by a lot of our customers as part of the wedding essentials. Here we've displayed our entire collection of figurines and idols, starting with very small size. Look at this one. This is a dancing Ganesha, choice of return gift that a lot of our customers prefer to buy. We have beautiful figurine and idol of Ranganathan. Again, a very unique piece, comes in pure brass finish, a solid piece that you can gift to your loved ones, priced at 4,249. We also have large figurines of Vishnumurti and Lakshmi. We have Shiva, we have Ram Darbar, we have Ram Lalla, we have different statues available in Ganesha as well. Not just that, we also have products that comes with tile finish in a great color combination of red, blue and green. All these look very colorful and vibrant and comes with very low maintenance given they come with lacquer coating. So you can shop for a great deal of brass idols and figurines at this corner. Moving on, we have urli collection set up here. We have very unique urlis available with us, starting with plain urli, we have hammered urli, and we have urlis that comes with antique polishing. The one that I'm showing you comes with beautiful diyas on the side and a butterfly pattern with urlis. So when you float a candle or a flower inside, looks very vibrant and brings in a lot of positivity. This particular urli is priced at 4,735. We also have urlis that comes with diya collection. We have urlis with Ganesha in the background. We have something with peacock motif. Very beautiful and vibrant. You can come here to take a look at the entire urli collection. Moving on, we've also displayed our brass utility gifts here. We have very beautiful products starting with Aarti Diya. Look at this design. Comes with parrot motif on both sides. Intricate detailing work done all throughout and comes in black antique finish. Very sturdy, can be used to light up a ghee diya on a regular basis. And this particular product is priced at 489. Again, a great choice of return gift. If you have a budget of 500, then this is something that you can definitely consider. We also have beautiful trays. We have trays that comes with Pichwai prints. Again, something that's very unique at Vetri. We have different sizes available. All these comes with digital print, which means these will stay as is. We can also customize all these prints based on your requirement for any bulk purchase. We also have our most trending Kalpavriksha tree. Again, a great choice of gift that you can consider gifting to your loved ones. This one comes with antique polishing, considered very auspicious to be owned and to be gifted to somebody. This Kalpavriksha diya is priced at 900. Moving on, we have a huge collection of wall hanging frames displayed here. We have products that comes in plain finish. We have products that comes in antique finish. We also have 3 types of antique polishes available with us, starting with black antique, brown antique and yellow antique. All these will stay as is and comes with very, very low maintenance. We have very classy and elegant wall hanging frames of Ganesha. We have Varahi Amman. We have beautiful Ganesha with Diya. We have Tirupati Balaji, a Dasavataram set, a wall hanging that you can place in the entrance of your home or in entrance of your puja mandir. We have wide variety of products in different price ranges, so you can go ahead and pick a product of your choice to be owned for yourself, or we have a huge collection of products that you can gift to somebody based on your price preference. I just gave you a quick sneak peek of brass gifts, what we have here. We have a lot more products available here that I want you to personally come and discover. We have very, very vibrant collections available, starting from a price range of 20 rupees going up to 5 lakh rupees. We are located at ground floor, number 799, 19th Main, 23rd Cross, HSR Layout, Bengaluru. Can't contain our excitement to host you all at our new store. Do share your feedback on what you think about the store, and definitely we'll keep refreshing a lot of new collection every now and then. So look forward to seeing you at our store. Revel in the joy of gifting to yourself and to your loved ones.